Dear faculty members, researchers, and students, thank you for submitting your abstracts for oral presentation at ECOS 2021 in hybrid mode to be held on 24th and 25th of November 2021 under the shelter of the Applied Zoological Society of Pakistan in collaboration with Quaid-e-Azam University, Islamabad. I feel proud to announce that because one of the biggest events of Pakistan, this year we have received more than 250 national and international abstracts. Among them, the selected ones are going to present in 4th International Conference on Applied Zoology 2021. Many congratulations to those who are going to be the part of one of the biggest international scientific events. Here we are showing the finalized schedule of ECOS 2021, but before that, it would be my privilege to introduce the Applied Zoological Society of Pakistan. The Applied Zoological Society of Pakistan was established on 13th of September 2018. AZSP is one of the professional body that represents Pakistani zoologists, scientists, and allied health professionals in various fields of life sciences. AZSP provides a platform for professional exchange, education, and collaboration amongst its members with the aim to promote advancement of biosciences in the country. With increasing interest in biosciences and the rapid development of this field in Pakistan and worldwide, AZSP's membership has been growing over the years, with over 3,000 members to date. These are bright founding members of AZSP. I'm obliged to share that AZSP has launched its own international journal in 2020 entitled as Annals of Applied Zoology AZ. Annals of Applied Zoology is a peer-reviewed journal of AZSP offering the publication of research articles, reviews, short research communications, and letter to editors. Annals of Applied Zoology offers publication from multiple disciplines of life sciences. These are editors of us. ECOS is an annual event organized under the shelter of the Applied Zoological Society of Pakistan. Up till now, AZSP has organized 3 successful events. The first international conference was held during the year 2018 with the theme Exploration of Novel Techniques in the Field of Applied Zoology and Conservation of Endangered Species. Second International Conference on Applied Zoology was held in 2019 with the theme Emerging Research and New Areas in the Field of Applied Zoology. And third International Conference on Applied Zoology was held during the year 2020 with the theme to address inspirational motivation of applied zoological sciences in the age of uncertainty. After these 3 successful events, AZSP is going to organize the 4th International Conference on Applied Zoology with the theme Exploring Practical Solutions Toward Animal Welfare and Sustainability. Here we are showing the online schedule of ECOS 2021. The conference program will be comprised of 2 days. On day 1, there will be inauguration ceremony at 8 o'clock. After that, there will be plenary session in which our keynote speakers will join us from Malaysia, Argentina, and Turkey. Now, I'm going to share the schedule of oral presentation sessions of day 1 of ECOS 2021. All the presenters may confirm their schedule of talk in respective session. Organizing committee will also share the program PDF and YouTube links of each session via email. The first session will start at 9:30 and it will include talk from the fields of biochemistry, genetics, molecular biology, physiology, and microbiology. Second session will start at 11 o'clock and it will include talk from the fields of drug discovery, biotechnology, and bioinformatics. After that, third session will start at 12:30 and it will include talk from the fields of parasitology, toxicology, and pathology. Fourth session will start at 2 o'clock and it will include talk from the fields of natural products, cancer biology, epidemiology, and recombinant DNA technology. Fifth session will start at 3:30 and it will include talk from the fields of fisheries, wildlife, biodiversity, and nutrition. After that, Sixth session will start at 5 o'clock and it will include talk from the fields of COVID-19, entomology, and pest management. Last and seventh session of day one of ICAS 2021 will start at 6:30 and it will include talk from the fields of drug delivery, neurosciences, cell biology, and nanotechnology. Now, I'm going to share the schedule of online presentation sessions of day 2 at ICAS 2021. The inaugural ceremony will start at 7 o'clock. After that, the first session will start at 7:10 and it will include talk from the fields of drug discovery, fisheries, wildlife, genetics, and virology. Second session will start at 9 o'clock and it will include talk from the fields of nutrition, epidemiology, COVID-19, biodiversity, molecular biology, and microbiology. After that, plenary session will start at 10:30, in which our keynote speakers from Turkey and Italy will join us. So it was the complete schedule of online program of ICAS 2021. Similarly, physical program will be shared soon. So stay tuned and stay connected with AZSP. For further queries and questions, you may contact the organizing secretary, Dr. Azhar Rasool. Thank you for presenting your research at ICAS 2021.